I haven't picked it out. I might even just let him play it, bro. Oh, okay, so. Okay, just do it. Alright, I'll play along a little bit. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3. I wish I could define all the thoughts that cross my mind. It seems to want for me to choose, but I don't know which way to lose when I'm falling down so far. I wish that I could see your light flashing over me, shining down here from your eyes. Help me make the right decisions and to right along we can show. Day and night where I belong. Help me make the right decisions. There is way to lessons alone. Just my purposes here. It's like a rock with upside down. A messages I can't decode. Half asleep, never wide awake, you know. Empty, overload. I got so much information here, but nothing I can really grasp. I should know the truth, but I'm too afraid to have to last. Help me figure out the difference between right and wrong. We can show day and night where I belong. Help me make the right decisions. There is way to lessons to learn. Just my purposes here. I wanna know you more than anything, and I'll meet you in my every dreams of different dreams. You love me for who I am, nature, just an ordinary man. Help me figure out stuck in the middle, trying to understand why I can't rise that you really got my eyes fast. You can say hi, but I know I'm missing my mind. Can you help me sort out all this information? I'm just rocking my brain, paying attention, but I'm still lost when I pass. I gotta know right now. Help me make the right decisions between right and wrong. We can show day and night where I belong. Help me make the right decisions. There is way to lessons to learn. Just my purposes let me figure out outside, give a minute, trying to understand how I can't rise that you really got my eyes fast. Think you're so hard, I know I'm missing my mind. Can you help me sort out all this information? I'm just rocking my brain, paying attention, but it's too loud. And I like us. I gotta know, yeah. I haven't done that song in I don't even know how many years. It's been probably, well, since the first solo album tour. I don't know, like 12 years or something. I don't even know. No, it's like 9 years ago. It's crazy. Not too bad. I think I like the way my voice sounds now.